Want to record something on your iPhone screen, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to screen record on iPhone with audio. Now let's get started. To screen record with your mic on iPhone, first swipe down from the top right corner of your home screen to open your control center. Then hold down the screen record button. Now tap the microphone icon to turn the mic option on. When you're ready to record, tap Start Recording. A 3-second countdown will begin, and then recording will start. You can then record your iPhone screen while also talking out loud, and both your screen and mic audio will be recorded at the same time. To stop recording, tap the record icon at the top of your screen, then tap Stop. Your recording will be saved to your device's camera roll. That's all it takes to screen record with audio on iPhone. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.